Hi guys, welcome back to another makeup tutorial. It's Aisha Isolate here. If you're new, welcome. If you're not, hey girl, hey. So I'm just moisturizing my lips before I do my makeup. The primer that I'm using is the Too Faced Hangover Face Primer, and I'm just going to be applying a little bit on my hand. So now I'm just taking some NARS Foundation. I'm just applying a few pumps to the back of my hand, and I'm going to be taking the It Cosmetics brush to apply this. I love this foundation. Like, look at the coverage. Oh my god. I think this is going to be my go-to foundation. Like, this is almost the exact color of my skin, and y'all know how hard it is to find foundation the exact color of your skin. It's not too orange. It doesn't give me like that orange undertone. It's the right warmth, you know? So I'm just blending everything in. I think this foundation is medium to buildable coverage. I'm not sure, but as you guys can see, like, I barely applied any foundation, and a little goes a long way for sure. So now I'm just taking my LA Pro Concealer. This is in the shade Toffee. This is another one of my go-to products. I'm going to always reach for my LA Pro Concealer. So yeah, I'm just applying this product under my eyes, my nose, my forehead, you know, everywhere that you will, you know, highlight. And I'm going to be taking a Real Techniques brush to blend everything out. Now I'm just going in with my second concealer, which is the Makeup Forever concealer. I believe this in the shade 50. So I'm just going to be applying this under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, and my forehead. I am going to like focus this concealer under my eyes for a brighter under eye effect. I'm not going to drag it out too much because I want it, you know, I want that effect to just be under my eyes. So now I'm just taking a black Opal foundation stick in the shade Black Walnut. I use this as a cream contour because I just love the way it makes my contour look. And I'll be taking the Real Techniques buffing brush to buff everything in. Taking my Mercier translucent setting powder, and I'm just applying this everywhere that I just concealed. I'm not going to bake because I don't like flashbacks. I feel like baking gives you flashback. So I'm just going to be pressing this into my skin. So I'm just going in with the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette, and I'm going to be taking the deepest shade and just bronzing up my face a little bit. Going in with the Doja Cat Blush Palette. I'm trying to angle it so you guys can see like the true color of it. But anyways, I'll be using the blush brush from Real Techniques to apply this. So now moving on to lips, I'm going to be removing all of the product that was on or around my lips. So now I'm just going in with my two NYX Lip Liner. The first one I'm going to be taking is the Downtown Beauty. I'm just using this one to overline my lips. As you guys can see where I removed a lot of product because that's how full I want my lips to be. So I'm just going in with that and filling that in. So now I'm just going in with the dark brown lip liner, and I'm just basically filling everything in like around like the outer parts. I'm just making them darker so that way it look more, like defined, if that makes sense. So now I'm just going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hill Lip Kit, and the lippy I'm going to be using is the Peachy and the shimmer shade on the end. So now I'm just taking some Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I applied this to the top and bottom of my lashes, and then I'm going to be throwing on some falsies. But I did apply my falsies off camera, so hold on, I'll be right back. So this is the finished look. I went ahead and did my hair, threw on some lashes, and put on a highlight. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to be a part of the iShade Isolate gang, and also hit that post notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a brand new video. And I'll see you guys in my next video.